in here, and today, new cats at my place. Not Benzo's. Two. One of them is hiding. This is the one that is pretty. Her name, we named her Jen. We found her outside. The other one we named Salmon. Also outside. She is the one that's exploring a bunch right now. The other one is just hiding, playing hiding and stuff. So yeah, here's the main cat.
Most of the cards are,
not new, just me. And let's see. Salmon.
Well, I've printed off the stuff.
Salmon. Sorry guys, Salmon isn't here right now. Salmon is just shy. Oh, this is also my room. Here, this is the food and water. No guns or anything. This is a PG channel. But yeah, that's just a little bit of the information. Meow. 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 Meow.
Again, I need to hold it, like you said. But I mean, it looks like it should.
Jen.
It has page 19. And why does it go 18, 25, 20, 27?
Well,
Where the hell is 19? Oh God,
this has been here for a while.
Why is it right there?
Because
hard to see, but hang on. Well guys, I can't find the flashlight, but kitty scratching post. Hang on. Okay, turn the light on soon. But that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye. Wait. Cat toys. Cat toy.
So let's see.
There's also some plastic for the cat toy, but
and then you got 5 and 3, 2 and 8.
Yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye.